Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to boost CPU or process speed in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Processor Power Management. Click and expand Minimum Processor State. Change value to 0. Click and expand Maximum Processor State. Value to 100. Click Apply, OK. Second step is Optimize Drives. Type Optimize Drives in Windows search bar. Select drive and click Optimize. Next step is to adjust best performance. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance. Check Adjust for best performance. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.